Hi, I will explain all about MMM. I am Michael Baluyo. What is MMM? MMM is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. MMM is a social network that connects the one who wants to donate money with the one who wants to get money. Participants transfer money directly to each other, peer-to-peer system. MMM is not a bank. MMM does not collect your money. MMM is not an online business, investment or MLM program. Founder of MMM, Sir Jim Brody is founder of MMM Social Financial Community. MMM is sure to be his life work, but not the only one. Sir Jim Brody, having a degree in mathematics, worked as a programmer and took what in part in the development of Tor's operating system. The company he founded was one of leading computer equipment distributor in Russia. He was a deputy in the Russian parliament. His literary work were published and they are sold in bookstore. Two of these screenplays were made into movies. His poems were turned into songs. How does it work? MMM is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. In MMM, you don't have to make contracts or pledge your property. MMM, there are no lenders and no debtors. Everything simple. One participant asks for help, another one helps. The only thing that MMM demands from each participant is to be honest and kind to each other. You ask for financial help when you need it. You give financial help when you are able to do it. For example, donation 1,000. You will receive Mabro equivalent to the amount donated. You'll get 1,000 Mabro. Growth rate of Mabro 30% per month. It will continue to grow until you decide to get help from the community. MMM also has his new MMM Extra when your Mabros can grow up to 100%. Let's see the sample table computation. For example, your 1,000 donation of 1,000 accrued 30% monthly. In the 12 months, the total 23,298.09. What is Mabros? Is derived from the founder, named Sergio Mabrodi. It is designed to reward each participant who exercise the power of giving by declaring their intention to provide help to the community. Mabro is a conventional unit in the system that grows 3.75% every Tuesday and Thursday, 8 times in a month, or 30% a month. It's a system rewards that if you need help, the amount that you can get help in is based on the accumulated Mabros, and someone from the community will provide help. MMM advantage bonuses and rewards. Plus 30% per month for your provide help. Plus 10% referral bonus for help made by people you invited to MMM, your friends, relatives, acquaintances, etc. Plus $20, plus $50, plus $100 bonuses for first help. 5% bonus for video after get help. A lot of bonuses from your MMM team. How do we send and receive donations? We use Bitcoins in sending and receiving donation. You may create your Bitcoin wallet at www.blockchain.info. What are the goals of MMM? Help all people in the world. Spread the money among people so that they gain financial freedom, creating a new fair financial relationship among people. Information about MMM. MMM is a global and we spread Bitcoins. 138 million members in 107 countries. 4 years of activity and $14 billion assistance provided. The fastest growing community of people in the world. MMM is 100% legal in the whole world. So what are you waiting for? Be a part of the MMM community now. Together we can change the world.